MistrMopar back with another DIY video, and today I'm going to show you how to recharge the air conditioning refrigerant in a Nissan Xterra. This should be the same for the 2005 through 2015 Xterra, as well as the Nissan Pathfinder and Nissan Frontier. So you've got to pop your hood. You're going to find the low pressure port, and on these 4.0s it is right here on the driver's side beside your brake booster. This is the connection. This is your low port. Take the cap off. Try not to lose it like I have a habit of doing. That's your fill port right there. Obviously you need yourself some refrigerant. I've got the AC Pro here. This came with the 24-inch hose. It's just a quick disconnect. So you're just gonna snap it on. You'll hear it click twice. Now while you're recharging this, the car has to be turned on with the AC setting on high and the recirculation mode on. So I'm going to start that and then we'll come back. So in these Xterras, you want the fan on high, you want it on max AC. Make sure the recirculation button is lit up as well as the AC button. I know this one is empty. So green is good. You do not want to overfill it. With this particular can, you just hold it upright, shake it every 20 or 30 seconds, and from time to time tip it to the 3 o'clock position. So I'm going to start filling her up and see what we've got. I'm going to pause this while I fill it so it's not a 10-minute video. So you can see my gauge is starting to come up, and I have put this in quite a bit already. This was completely dry because the O-ring on that was gone, so it's going to take a lot. But while you're squeezing it, every 30 seconds or so, just turn it to the 3 o'clock position and then stand it back upright, and also give it a little shake every now and then. The can will get cold to the touch as you're filling it. That's good. That means it's working. It's actually filling up the system. So another thing I want to show you. So that's going to show you there that I'm overfilled, but you see now that the AC compressor is engaged, it's back down. So I'm almost in the safe zone. Everything's running. I'm going to get in and check it. Granted, if my AC is nice and cold, I'm going to go a little bit more, because again, that's when the AC is on. It's not quite as full as it could be. So the AC is blowing really, really nice and cold now. I'm within the safe zone. But as you can see, when the fans kick on and everything's running, it's still a little low. So I'm going to bring it up to around 40 and I'm going to call it good. But for those wondering, always check with the gauge first. See, I'm actually kind of low, but now when it kicks off, it shows that it's good. So I'm probably going to leave well enough alone. It is working good. It's nice and cold. I'll run it for a couple days and check it again. But always check and make sure that you're not overfilling it, because if you overfill this, get up past the green, you can put too much stress on the compressor and it will still blow warm air and not be cold enough. So that's how you recharge the air conditioning in a Nissan Xterra. Should be the same for 2005 to 2015. Should be the same process for the Nissan Frontier and the Pathfinder. Again, always use your low pressure port on the driver's side, right beside your brake booster. This is your fill. I use the AC Pro. Came with a 24-inch hose. It's just a quick disconnect. Push it on. Snaps twice, and you're good to go. Hopefully this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.